Using Twitter gift cards can enhance your experience on the platform by allowing you to purchase various features or content. Follow these steps to effectively use your Twitter gift card. Step 1. Check card details. Examine the gift card for any specific instructions or a unique code. Make sure to know the value of the card on any expiration date. Step 2. Log into your Twitter account. Open the Twitter app or website and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Step 3. Navigate to the gift card redemption section. Look for the option to redeem gift cards. This is typically found in the settings or payment section of your account. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Input the unique code from your gift card into the designated field. Double check for any typos to ensure the code is entered correctly. Step 5. Confirm and use your credit. After entering the code, confirm the redemption. Your account will be credited with the amount, which you can now use for purchases like Twitter Blue subscriptions or other features. Now you're ready to enjoy the benefits of your Twitter gift card.